National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a flash flood warning for Hickman County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Humphreys County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Lawrence County in Middle Tennessee, Lewis County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Maury County in Middle Tennessee, Perry County in Middle Tennessee, northern Wayne County in Middle Tennessee, until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Cornwall, Centerville, Waynesboro, London,